A horse in India's western Rajasthan province has been sold for more than $100,000. The horse is a special Indian breed popular across the world.
Prabhat, a famed Marwari breed horse in India's western city of Jodhpur, was purchased by a horse enthusiast for more than a whopping $165,000. The horse has won accolades at various horse shows across India and is the first Marwari breed to be sold at such a high price. Elaborated arrangements for the upkeep of the horse are being made in his new home. There are two stables for Prabhat. While one is covered stable, another is designed for the horse to enjoy leisurely walks. The Marwari breed is one of the most researched horse breeds in the world. They are known for their intelligence and stamina.